Welcome to my nightmare, and thank you for watching my rant. I apologize for any profanity about to come out of my mouth, but Jeep keeps on pissing on their customers, okay? I have a project going right now, a 2000 Jeep TJ Wrangler. I got screwed, okay? That's my bad, but let's talk about some issues with Jeep right now. Let's first talk about the frame. Who designed the frame? What fucking idiot designed a frame without drainage holes to freaking rust out? You look at most people in half the country that bought a Jeep have frame issues. They freaking started a company in Rhode Island, Safety Cap, just because of the frame issues. Now, that's not bad enough. Let's not make frames for people. Let us be freaking basically held hostage by people because they have frames. Now, why am I all pissed off today? Because I went to go get a frame. I get to this person to get this frame, and they said they had another offer. It's gonna be $500 more for the frame. What am I supposed to do? I am stuck. You know what I did? Fuck you, I told them. I'm not gonna fucking buy the frame. I will find another frame. So that's issue one with the Jeep. I'm not gonna even go into, the electrical. I did a video on it. For heaven's sakes, let's design a freaking heating system that can catch fire and kill your family. Great job. Oh, you know what? There's a fix to the thing. Let's discontinue making some of the pigtails so you could pay $37 for a fucking 3 wires and a freaking pigtail. Really? That's what Chrysler or Mopar Jeep does to us, okay? They don't give two shits. They want us to buy the new Jeeps. Well, I'm not buying a fucking Fiat. I am sorry. Nothing against you if you have one. That's your thing, and you're going to be in my situation in a couple years because how they design these products suck, okay? So we talked about Jeep frame rusting out. We talked about fire danger already. I'm getting molested every time I need something, okay? Let's talk about a freaking wobble named after us. Any YouTube video and you look for Death Wobble, they named a fucking wobble after us. Jeep Death Wobble, not Ford Death Wobble, not Chevy Death Wobble, your Jeep Death Wobble, okay? It's not a dance, it's not a good thing. But do they care? No, they don't freaking care. I'm telling you, I'm in a freaking abusive relationship right now, and I'm getting really pissed off. That's why you see all these projects start on YouTube, Jeep project, and then they just stop. They just stop. They just stop. You know why? Because they freaking don't want to take it up the ass anymore. Well, you know what? I'm going to finish this project. I'm not going to get screwed. I'm going to do it my way. I hope not to offend anyone by all this language, but you know it's true. If you own a Jeep, it's a joke out there. Just empty each pocket. God damn it. How many fucking jokes do they make about us? Just empty each pocket. Really? Seriously, think about it. We are get screwed left and right. And now what do? They're parting out the Jeeps. So there's not going to be any Jeeps left for us anyways, because you get more money from parting out a Jeep because of douchebags like me needing parts. So my project is put on hold but not stopped. There's things I can do until I find a frame. The project wasn't supposed to start for another couple weeks. If you're in the New England area, I'm between an hour and a half away from Boston and an hour and a half away from New York. If you know of any frames out there for sale, leave a comment, help a brother out, okay? Let's say like it, subscribe to it, help me out because this is good stuff. This is